Exit B2 guys. Yan, paglabas nyo, turn left. Makita nyo to, Thai of Kitchen. Tapos lakad dyan. Makita nyo tong 1 south lane. Tapos left again. Ayun na. Tanaw na agad. Yan na. Meron sinasal. Ito yung menu nila guys. Set na may halo-halo na yan. Tapos all meal unlimited rice. May 10% service charge. Di ba ano na to? Kasama na yung halo-halo. Oo, set. Ito pag mga ano, mga pangyaw meal. Naka-platter. Mary's Innocent. 130. Ayan guys, mga platter siya. Good for 3 to 4. Maganda pala pag madami kayo. 298. Pag gusto nyo dito tumambay. Ayan. Soft drinks nila is 10. Fresh coconut bun. Ito na chicken thigh and halo-halo. Ito ang best seller. Yun nila, 108. Sling pork sisig. Alin sa'yo? Meron pa sila ito. Paksiw with only rice. Lechon paksiw. Try ko nga itong lechon paksiw with halo-halo. Iba naman. Lechon paksiw, iba yan eh. Dito guys. Ayan yung pila. Nasa labas kami. Paglabas lang siya ng MTR exit B2. Tapos turn left kayo. Tapos ito na. Makita nyo agad yung karatula ng Mary's Inasal. This is our order. Yung lechon sisig. Lechon ano ba yun? Yung lechon paksiw na in-order ko is not available. So, I just ordered the liempo. Ayan siya. And then, sa kapatid ko is the sisig. And this is our bill. Waiting kami sa halo-halo. Halo-halo guys. Wow.
Buti na lang di tayo may parang ganito dito.
So nice.
Ate, okay lang po kayo dito ate.
Marami naman.
Maganda dito, fresh air, no?
Libre yung haning.
Fresh air.
Para ka ng
VIP.
Ang sarap.
Sino yung picture? Ma-picture ako kayo.
Okay na po kanina. May pasabaw sila guys. Wow, papa. Alin.
My pace, you're only young once, yeah that's all great. But I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving.
Terma. Ako nasimot ko talaga guys. May only rice, tapos sinigang. Yan. Hindi ko pa ubos yung halo-halo. So far, I will rate it 9/10. Maganda yung place niya. Yan. Beside MTR lang, sobrang lapit lang, left side lang, tapos matatanaw niyo na tong resto.